Love yours.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kayla Monet. If you are new here and it's your first time, welcome. Thank you for clicking on my channel. We like to party over here. It's chill vibes, have good conversation, good looks at a good price. That's a word right there. Anyways, today I'm here to show you how I got this final look, very curly wig from Nadula Hair. This unit is glueless. Look. Hello. Loose frontal. It's blending in. Okay. I'm lifting it because I want to, but you can easily take this off at night. It's perfect for the summertime, these beautiful curls. So I'm just going to bring you all along with the journey to how we got here. It's very simple, 3 steps, so keep on watching if you are interested. But before you get to the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more of my content. I'd love to have you here. Let's get to the video.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting up beans. Saying you love me, but what do you mean?
So I just wanted to hop on here to let you guys know the type of brush you use for this hairstyle. It's very important. So the type of brush I'm using is a paddle brush and it doesn't have a badge. I got this brush from Walmart and you can easily find it at Amazon or Target or any of the stores.
Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like,
like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me but wanting my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, that just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they'll play with it.
See, on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say my hitters gon' bang quick. Fuck around and get dangerous. Step like bimbos. I'm pushing my timbo. Toes, no one ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real no force, I stand on it, that's 10 toes. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tents on the window. He says she sucks sweet, they gon' wanna lick the rapper. Let them taste the then I kick them out right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga tried to fall.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they'll play with it.
Alright, so this is the final look. I am so satisfied with the results. I love the curl texture of this unit. It mimics natural hair, like a 3BC type curl. It's super cute. You have a kinky curly version of this unit, which I think will probably mimic like a 4A texture. So I'm actually very interested and I'm looking forward to trying that. I think I may. Leave a comment down below if you want me to review that one as well. This review gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It's my second time wearing it. I love it. I have no complaints. Of course, it's all about how you style the unit. People, when it comes to like the curly wave patterns, they kind of just want to spray water and go. And if you would like to do that, that's perfectly fine. Just wear the hair in the natural texture. But for me personally, I prefer a nice defined voluptuous look. So that's what I went for here by using the mousse, going through and finger coiling, diffusing, and as well as picking it out to create a defined value. Any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down below. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this look and you would love to see more, just go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of fun content planned and that will be coming to you all soon for the summertime. Thank you all for watching my video today and I hope to see you all next time. Stay blessed and I love you. Bye.